What if I told you that a simple kitchen ingredient could improve your digestion, help you lose weight, and boost your energy? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, we're talking about something you've probably already heard of, apple cider vinegar. But have you really unlocked its full potential for your health? Stick around because you're about to discover the secrets behind this miracle liquid. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is made from fermented apple juice, but what makes it special is the fermentation process, which creates acetic acid, the key to its amazing health benefits. Top health benefits of apple cider vinegar: aids in digestion. Struggling with digestion or bloating? A small dose of ACV before meals can help stimulate digestive enzymes, allowing your body to break down food more efficiently. Supports weight loss. Looking to shed a few pounds? Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can make you feel fuller, which means fewer cravings and less overeating. Plus, the acetic acid in ACV has been shown to support fat loss. Balances blood sugar. If you're keeping an eye on your blood sugar, ACV could be your new best friend. Research shows it can help lower blood sugar levels after meals, especially for people with insulin resistance. Boosts heart health. ACV is also great for your heart. It's been found to help lower cholesterol and reduce blood pressure, two major factors in keeping your heart healthy. How to use apple cider vinegar. Now, how can you start using ACV? The best way is to dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water. You can add a little honey to soften the taste. Drink it before meals or in the morning for the best results. But remember, ACV is acidic, so always dilute it to protect your teeth and stomach. While apple cider vinegar has incredible benefits, too much can cause issues like stomach irritation or damage to tooth enamel. Start small and see how your body reacts. So, is apple cider vinegar the missing piece in your health routine? From digestion to heart health, this simple ingredient could be the natural boost you need. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. And remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are right in your kitchen.